Wheels hum on gravel, the sun's awake. Fields of gold, a morning break. Cornstalks whisper, go on a roll. The trail ahead feels like my soul. Rolling through Iowa, feel the sky white. The world gets bigger with every stride. Freedom calls me, I won't hide. Rolling through Iowa, life's my ride. The air is sweet, the breeze is kind. Clouds drift slow, they ease my mind. A cardinal sings a fleeting sound. This chair ain't changed, its wheels unbound. Push the limits, feel the spin. Out here my heart can win. Rolling through Iowa, feel the sky white. The world gets bigger with every stride. Freedom calls me, I won't hide. Rolling through Iowa, life's my ride. Let the hills rise, let the rivers bend. This trail's a letter